Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to start up from your term 1, third lesson, dressing up a day. So before I start up a lesson, I just want you to take out your textbooks, open your page number 23 and keep in front of you so that whatever I am explaining you, later I will be reading the lesson, you can concentrate on it. Now what does this lesson, dressing up a day, mean? Did you learn about your community helpers previously? Yes, we have different sort of community helpers in our society. Now, you are studying in which standard? Yes, you got promoted to second grade now. You are into second class. Now, there are 4 children, Neha, Rahul, Susan and Jasbir. These 4 people, they are studying in grade 2. And now these people started, they want to put up a show. What is that show? They want to dress up themselves as a community helpers and they are going to put a fancy dress sort of a contest in their school. They are very much excited. Okay, so you're also, if you like you're wearing a new dress on any festival, you'll feel very excited, right? Similarly, these 4 students or these 4 friends are very much excited to dress up themselves and they are very much excited to put up a show in their school. Now let us see what are they going to do. Now if you look into your page number 24, now they have given Neha is talking about, Rahul is also talking, Susan and as well as Jasbir. Let us see. Neha, are you ready? Now Neha is asking, are you ready for the show? Now Rahul is, has anybody seen my shoes? Susan, hurry up, please, I need to change. Jasbir, don't eat now, you will mess up your dress. So this is a communication going on between the 4 friends. So one friend is saying like, Neha, are you ready for the show? The other friend Rahul is asking, did they find his shoes or not? And the other friend Susan is he's telling like, he's asking to get hurry up so that he has to change his dress. Now Jasbir is telling not to eat anything now, otherwise he'll mess up with the dress. So this is what the communication between the 4 students or 4 friends is going on. Now it was a very busy day. It is a busy day for the students of class 2. Everyone is talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. The children are excited. They are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. They are dressing up as people who help us. At last, everyone is ready. Now, it was a very busy day for the students of class 2. Everybody started talking, discussing. You have some activities will be going on in our school also. So, when we bring you down to sit in the downstairs, you will also, once your friends get gathered at one place, you also start chit chatting what is happening. I bought today this one, I bought this today, they bought this today. So everything, the discussions were going on among the children and the school hall is full of noise and laughter. All the students are at one place and they are making lot of noise and they started laughing with each other. Also the children are very much excited as they are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. They have started wearing different sorts of costumes. They are dressing up as people. How they are dressing? They are dressing as a people who help us. They are the community helpers. At last, everybody are ready to put on the show. Now, the show started. Now, one by one, the children, they started who they are. Let us see. The first child. I am a gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Don't you think so? Now one student, he came on the stage and how is he dressed up? He dressed up as a gardener. You know who is a gardener? Yes, a gardener is a person who take care of plants. He water the plants. He sees that the plants are healthy and these plants are very important to us and the plants make our world beautiful. So this was by one student. Now the next student, he has dressed up as a soldier. Now what is he want to do? The soldier, what does a soldier does, you know? Yes, the soldier here protects our country from the enemies. I am a soldier. I guard my country. I fight for my country. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. Now he is a soldier. As a soldier, he protects our country. We should be very proud and we should give respect to the soldiers who respect who respects and protects our country. So that was done by one student. Now other student, he was dressed up as a potter. Now who is a potter? You know very well. A potter is a person who makes different variety of pots. Now see, I am a potter. I make pots of different shapes. I make them on this wheel. I also make toys. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. Now what is he telling? He is telling, I dressed up as a potter and I make pots of different sizes, small, bit big, a very bigger one. Okay, I make on this wheel. You have seen there will be a potter's wheel around, round. The potters will be round. You can see in the picture. On the wheel, he put the red mud or whatever the mud or a clay they use it. So with the wheel will be moving round and round and round. When the wheel is moving round, he'll with the help of the hands, he'll be making the mud in the shape of a pot or a toys. I also make toys. So what does a potter is telling? I myself not only making the pots but also I make the toys. Now the next student, he dressed up as an engineer. What is he telling? I am an engineer. I help to make a lot of things. I help to build roads and buildings. I help to make airports, bridges and flyovers. Now what is the work of an engineer? Yes, engineer, he helps to construct huge buildings, and also the engineer helps to build the roads also. The roads where we walk, he helps to build the proper roads, and also he helps to make airports, you know, where the aeroplanes will come and land, bridges and flyovers. So this was by one student. Now the other student, how the other girl, she has dressed up as a chef. Who is a chef? Yes, your mother at home is a beautiful chef. Now what a chef does it? They work in a hotel, but your mother doesn't work in a hotel. Your mother works in a kitchen. She is cooking different types of tasty, yummy dishes at home, but she is a chef, right? Yes. Now one girl has dressed as a chef. Now she is telling, I am a chef. I work in a hotel. I cook tasty food. What would you like to eat? I can make it for you. Now, whenever you go for a restaurant, so a waiter will be coming and he'll be giving you a menu and you will be choosing it. But a waiter will not prepare the food. The person who is in the kitchen, a chef, he prepares different tasty dishes to you. So this is how the grade 2 children have dressed up themselves like a gardener, like a soldier and like a potter, engineer and a chef. So they had started the show one by one. They came and the children said what they want to say, and they have ended up a show in a successful way. So there ends your lesson, children. Now when you're reading it, so you try to underline the words that you feel very tough. Now let us see. I'm reading it out. Are you ready? Has anybody seen my shoes? Yes, you can underline the word anybody. And hurry up, please, I need to change. Don't eat now, you will mess up your dress. It is a busy day for the students of class 2. Everyone is talking. You can underline the word everyone, and also you can underline the word talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. You can underline noise, underline the word laughter. The children are excited. Underline the word children, underline the word excited. They are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. Now underline the word dressing. They are dressing up as people who help us. At last, everyone is ready. You can underline the word ready. Now coming to the next page. Now the boy who has dressed up as a gardener. You can underline the word gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Underline the word healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Underline the word beautiful. And next, I am a soldier. Underline the word soldier. I guard my country. Underline the word country. I fight for my country. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. I am a potter. Underline the word potter. I make pots of different shapes. Underline the word different. I make them on this wheel. I also make toys. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. Next, I am an engineer. Underline the word engineer. I help to make a lot of things. I help to build roads and buildings. Underline the word buildings. I help to make airports, bridges and flyovers. Now underline the words airports, bridges as well as flyovers. I am a chef. Underline the word chef. I work in hotel. I cook tasty food. Underline the word tasty. What would you like to eat? I can make it for you. Now, so what all the words you have underlined it, try to write 2 times in your classwork notebook. So write today's date, put the heading, the lesson name and put the heading as a new words and start writing the underlined words 2 times in your classwork notebook. Alright children, next. Now let us discuss. Now you have listened the lesson. Now let us discuss the questions. I mean to say the page number 26 and 27. Now coming to page 26, answer the questions are there. So what is your first question? Why are the children of class 2 excited? Why are they excited? Tell me. Yes, so they are excited as they are going to put up a show. They got dressed up in different costumes. So the children of class 2 are excited as they are going to put up a show. Yes. Next, how does a gardener help to make our world beautiful? Yes, what is the gardener is doing? The gardener is helping us, or he is helping to make our world beautiful by planting the trees, by protecting the trees and by watering the plants and making, and also he is seeing that the plants are healthy because plants make our world beautiful. So what is he doing? The gardener is in what way is he helping out our world beautiful? He is making our world beautiful by planting the plants and by watering the plants and seeing whether the plants are healthy or not. Next, what does a soldier do for his country? We have discussed it. What does a soldier do? He respects our country. We too respect our country. But a soldier is protecting our country. So what is a soldier is doing a country? A soldier is protecting our country. Now what does an engineer help to make? Now the engineer, what does he is helping us to make? An engineer is helping us to make buildings, roads, airports, flyovers and bridges. Next, what does a potter make? So what does a potter make on the potter wheel? So he is making, with the help of a mud, what is he making? He is making, a potter will make different sizes of pots and toys. So what is he making? A potter makes different sizes of pots and toys. So these are about your understanding the questions. Okay. Next, you have fill in the blanks with the words from the box. You have given a box over there and there are questions over there. So you have to read the question and you have to fill up a proper word. That word you are going to choose it from the given box. Now, an engineer helps to make roads. So what is that? Engineer is helping us to make roads and bridges. So you have the word bridges, you are going to write it in the given, fill in the blanks. So similarly, you are going to fill up the blanks using the words given in the box. Alright children, next coming, play with the words. Now see, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. On the right side, they have given a box. So in the box, they gave farmer, pilot, doctor, teacher and policeman. Now you have to read it up. I go to the dash if I am ill. If you are sick, where will you go? Exactly. So you will go to a doctor if you are sick. A dash grows crops. Who will grow crops? Yes, farmer grows crops. Ria flies an aeroplane. She is a dash. So is she a driver? No. A driver drives a car or a bus or a truck. But a person who drives an aeroplane is called as a pilot. Yes. Today our dash taught us about living and non-living things. So who is at school teaching you all the time? Yes, teacher. So today our teacher taught us about living and non-living things. Next, the dash caught the thief. Who will catch the thief? Yes, the policeman will catch the thief. So the policeman caught the thief. Okay children, next coming to match the columns. So here you have in between the pictures. So just see and you're going to match the pictures with the given words. Now see, bread, you're matching it, and with bread what you're going to eat? Butter. And there is a needle. With the needle, what are you going to do? You're going to put a thread in the needle. The door, what are you going to do? Day lock. So there you have given. So see the pictures and related word also you have to match it up. Alright, and then unscramble the letters to name the pictures. Already they have, you can see the picture. The first picture is glass. The spelling was given wrong. So you have to correct the spelling and you have to rewrite it. Okay, alright. So these are about your page number 26 and your 27. So we have completed your lesson 2. So after you have watched the video, read the lesson carefully and write down the underlined words in your classwork notebook. Okay children, thank you.